Hello everyone, this is Tanya Pandey from Sari Mantra. We are the handloom owner of Assam Silk Saris from Assam Sualkuchi. We handweave the beautiful Assam Silk Saris, Assam Silk Mekhela Sadar, Assam Cotton Saris to Assam Cotton Mekhela Sadar. Today I'm going to showcase two beautiful, exclusively handwoven Assam Part Silk Sari for this wedding season. Now, the part silk means mulberry silk. As you all know, who have seen our previous videos. These two saris are absolutely beautiful and speaks in volume of our craftsmanship. One is in a very beautiful soft baby pink color and the another is the evergreen black color. So let us start with the first sari. This is the first sari. This is not the color white but a very soft baby pink color. As you can see, it has been crafted how beautifully with copper zari and pink color thread. This is the very extensively hand-woven board archal portion of the sari, which has got the beautiful enlarged version of Parvati motif. Then we have got floral motifs, and this is how the palla looks. I'll give you a very closer look so that you can understand and feel the craftsmanship through the video. This is the design motive that I was speaking for. How beautiful it is, isn't it? This is a lovely piece, definitely a head turner for this wedding season. The entire sari has got very small flower kind of buttas. These are not the usual flower buttas that you see. I'll give a closer look of the butta as we are presenting this butta for the first time in the video. See how beautifully the buttas look. This is the copper zari and there is a small meena which has been done with thread. The entire sari looks like this. As I unfold, you can understand the luster, the shine, the sheen of the silk that has been crafted on this sari. A beautiful piece. Trust me, it's a beautiful and a lovely piece. And this is the blouse portion which comes with this border, which you can design as per your choice and preference. Now speaking for the border of the border of the sari is woven and then stitched over the sari. This is the beautiful border. The sari comes with lab testing certificate where the warp and weft will be tested and certified. And trust me, the color is so pretty, so beautiful. It is not a white color, it's a soft, very soft baby pink color. It's a lovely piece. People who are pastel lovers, who love pastel colors, and even if you want to try something very offbeat, this is one such sari that you can try this wedding season. See, this is the look. This is how the sari looks once you drape. So this is the first sari. Now we'll move on to the second beautiful Assam Part Silk sari. This is the second sari. A no-brainer, absolutely. The color black, I feel it's a color, it's a vibrant, very dynamic color. The entire sari has been crafted with copper zari, giving it a grand look in itself. This is the archal portion, very extensively woven. You can see how long the archal is. It has got the beautiful floral kind of buttas, gamkharu motif of our handloom, and it has been crafted beautifully with copper zari. This is the back side of the sari. You can see, not to worry that this will get stuck on your bangles. Definitely not. This is how the body buttas look. Beautiful. The smaller version of Parvati motif. As I unfold, you can see as we go to the inner portion of the sari, the buttas are placed at a distance as compared to the front part. This is how the entire sari looks. Now this sari does have got the beautiful borders which will be stitched over the sari. These are the border portion. See, this is the border portion which has been crafted with copper zari. Now this is the blouse portion. The blouse portion has got this beautiful broad border which you can design as per your choice and preference. My personal favorite color, black. And I thought, why not to weave something grand on this black color Assam part silk sari, which you can drape with confidence, with elegance this wedding season. If you like any of our beautiful Assam part silk sari for this wedding season, please do contact us at 78965414489. And the boutique owners out there looking for the genuine Assam handloom manufacturer, why wait when we are here? Please do contact us. We'll be very happy to serve you. For beautiful, lovely videos like this, all you need to do is like, share, and if you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that as we come with a beautiful collection of Assam weaves, you be the lucky one to see and praise our hand-woven beautiful drapes. Thank you so much for being there, and please do comment what and which was your favorite, which would you pick as your wedding season drape. Thank you.